All right, just dropped off my son at Taekwondo, and I have my Fuji X100v and the X-Pro3 with the 33 1.4 with me. I'm gonna go make some photographs because I have 2 hours before I have to pick them up. Why not? I'm gonna be trying to do more photos, do more videos, be braver, kind of like I did on my goals video I just posted. So this is one of my first steps, not to overthink things, take some photos, share a little bit of my process, and have some fun. So let's go see what I can find. I found this windmill in the middle of like an industrial little area, and we'll see what we can get. Maybe something kind of cool and moody with the sky. I'll underexpose it a little bit so we can bring some of that texture back. Pretty cool. I got some good shots. That was my warm-up little location, so it took me about 10 minutes, well, 5 minutes or so there. It's honestly like 26 degrees, so I'm a little cold. That's so if you see my eyes watering, I'm a wimp. And so I jumped back in the car for a little bit, and let's go find some cooler spots around here to find something good. I've always liked this spot. I've gotten a couple shots with my cell phone, but never with my the real cameras. Right now I'm using the X-Pro3 with the 33 to do some cool stuff with the yellow and the used car, the old rugged sign, and maybe the barbed wire again. And I don't know, this is fun. It's fun being out, being creative, right? I see this tree in the middle of a couple buildings, and I think maybe it's cool. I'm gonna get a shot with the X100v because it's a little wider than the X-Pro that I have on my other camera, or the 33 that I have on the X-Pro3. We'll see if we can get something cool here. Maybe not. It is cold out. My fingers are frozen, but I think I found some cool spots already. I have, let's see, it's been around 20 minutes since I dropped off my son. So we got a couple good shots, and I'm still hunting in this industrial area. Let's see. I'm a sucker for cool old trucks. There's a cool old truck, a Ford 108. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna use the X-Pro3 with the 33 to get some low depth of field shots of this thing, because there's some not cool stuff behind it, and I just want to focus on the truck. Okay, I got an old building. Well, I got a not super old, but a cool door on it, but there's traffic everywhere, and I'm trying not to get killed, so let's see. So just a few minutes away from the Taekwondo place, and I've got some cool grasses, whatever this stuff is, swaying in the wind. Can't pass those kinds of bits of beauty up. The sky is super bright and overcast, so I'm gonna see if I can use some contrast and make something cool. Let's see. For those of you wondering, I'm shooting in RAW plus JPEG, and then my JPEGs have this really killer, awesome black and white film recipe that I threw in there, I dialed in, that I love, but it's sometimes a little bit too harsh, and so I wanted that RAW backup, so I have the images too in case I need to edit them. So since I'm close, I'm going to a cemetery, and some people will think that's weird, but I love taking pictures at cemeteries. They have some cool historic finds and unique opportunities to know, line things up and get some cool sculptures and stuff like that. So I'm gonna end this video at the cemetery. I'm gonna take a couple photos here, and then I'm gonna go pick up my son at Taekwondo. And I hope you enjoyed. Check out the photos. If you have any questions, I'll post the recipe, the JPEG recipe again below in the comments. But thanks for watching, everyone. Go out and be creative. This is cool stuff. I feel good.